There's a buzz in the smart home world. Google's new Nest Doorbell 2K is making waves, and not just because of its fresh look. But here's where it gets controversial. Are higher specs really what users need? Or is this just spec sheet bragging? Thanks to recent store leaks, especially the emergence of retail packaging for the third-generation wired Nest Doorbell in the snow colorway, we've now got concrete details that shed light on exactly what's inside. Most notably, the box boldly spells out the headline feature: true 2K HDR resolution at 2048 by 2048 pixels. To put that in perspective, the previous generation offered just 960 by 1280 resolution. That's a huge leap, meaning you'll catch even more detail in your footage, perhaps enough to see faces more clearly, or pick up on subtle movements at your doorstep. And this is the part most people miss. The device's field of view has expanded. Now, that means almost nothing escapes its lens, whether it's guests, parcels, or unexpected visitors lurking at the edge of your porch. Curiously, the Nest Cam 2K, which is also rumored to be coming soon, still has some mystery surrounding its specs. The current lineup boasts a 1920 by 1080 resolution and fields of view ranging from 130 degrees outdoor to 135 degrees indoor. Will the cam match the doorbell's new technical prowess? Only time will tell. Classic features make a continued appearance in the Nest Doorbell 2K. Night vision ensures security even in complete darkness. Two-way audio lets you talk directly to visitors or scare off intruders. And weather resistance holds up in challenging outdoor conditions. Operating parameters like temperature tolerance from frigid -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to a toasty 104 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. And power setup via existing doorbell wiring, 16 to 24 VAC, 10 to 40 VA, 50 to 60 Hz transformer haven't changed either, so most users won't need an electrician to upgrade. Unboxing gives you everything needed: the doorbell itself, chime connector, baseplate, angled 20-degree mounting wedge, wire connector, hex key, mounting screws and anchors, spacers, and even a window decal for easy installation and setup, whether you're DIYing or working with a pro. But wait, here's the controversy that'll spark debate. For advanced features like Google's Gemini and certain AI-powered experiences, customers must purchase a subscription separately. Is this fair? Or just another way to lock users into ongoing fees for technologies that could be standard? Now it's your turn to weigh in. Do the higher specs and wider field of view make this a must-have? Or is it just incremental marketing hype? Should AI capabilities be bundled? Or is a subscription justified? Share your thoughts below and let's get the conversation going.